Hello everybody, this is Xetosphere and this is my kind of um, Forge modding tutorial type of video because I've been doing these text tutorials on the forum, micro forums lately, and what should I say? I promised you guys a video with me showing how to actually get the textures for your blocks and items and all that stuff. So let's do that. Okay, so we will of course give these things a texture out from a sprite sheet. Now we do that by adding this code to the block, of course, the public string get texture file, which is a method that gives the block a what should I say, a texture, and this is the position of where the block will get our texture. So it's gonna get it from the tutorial folder inside of .minecraft and from the picture blocks.png. Now yeah, and also you need to preload them like you see here. Like it has to be exactly the same as in your block, or it will get an error. So, but actually, I want to show you a little bit, a little nice thing that you can use in this. I don't want to add it. Yes, I want to add it. What am I thinking? Public static string blocks underscore png equals slash tutorial slash blocks dot png, the same as the one that down there, but this adds a string that acts like this, and you can use it in any class, so and stuff like that. So just paste that in there. It's much easier. It tells it just exactly the same thing. It takes this address kind of thing and put it in there in a string. So we're gonna add that for our item as well. So string items underscore pg equals tutorial slash items dot png, and have this inside of here. Yeah, so that was the little change I wanted in the client proxy. Obviously you can just use this as well inside of your block, the block tutorial class. Now it needs, of course, it needs client proxy dot, since it's from the client proxy. Oops, client proxy, a string from the client proxy. And we do the same on the item. We just get out away client proxy dot items dot png. Yeah, that's all we need for that, and let's check that out. This won't give us a texture because we don't have our file inside of the location that we used, so I don't think it says that. I don't know why. It shouldn't be having any problems with that. Oh, I have actually added this stuff so already, so let's actually check okay, so we go into here, jars, in your mcp folder, and then you go to bin and you right click minecraft.jar and open with WinRAR. Now this will get that because I don't have what I need. Okay, let's just delete that because I will show you how you actually do it. Yeah, so this takes from tutorial, a folder called tutorial with blocks.png, and this is inside of your .minecraft, your Minecraft.jar, sorry. So actually all we need to do is just take a folder named tutorial and have this sprite sheet at the same name as I can't speak today. The same name as we named it here, so blocks.png for the blocks, and one for items as well, which will be named exactly the same, items.png. So let's paste that in there and rename it items. So that will give us all that. Now we just I will just put that there and that, just drag it over into there in the, yeah, as I showed you before. And now this has all the images, and yeah, it should give us a texture. Those, it will have the same as these roots here, because we haven't actually added any kind of pictures to it. Yeah, so you see now we got this as before, but because I failed, and our items should also have it. Food. Yeah, we haven't actually changed the no way. Oh, it's in there. Okay. Don't care about that. So let's back to coding. I don't think I made. Yes, I did. And this, yeah, as I said, this has to be client proxy, proxy dot items.png. No problem. Now everything is preloaded and done as it is. Now I will explain some of the placing of the. This is easy to understand. What we'll call it? Sprite sheet. Yeah. Yeah, we don't need that. So let's get this texture up actually. Edit. I use paint.net. I think that works just fine. Why isn't there you go, zooming. Okay, so for the placing of these, this is our integer for our block, right? And this is our texture position. So what 0 means is that it is in this first, on the top left here. If you go all the way up and to the left, this is where it will get its texture from. If it was 1, it would take from here. If it's 2, it will take it from here. And if it is 15, I think, it will take it from here. And if it's 16, it just goes all the way back here again and takes it from here. That's exactly what this tells us. So let's actually make a texture for our block. We will, yeah, let's get some of the vanilla texture things, edit, and just like, since this is an ore, we will just copy the iron ore texture and mix something with it, just make it look pretty. Well, let's just add orange to it, I guess. Another color as well, orange, but a slightly different orange. So, yeah. Now we just, okay, I want to zoom in a little bit to see it better. Okay, so that's the dark one, so we just add that to the dark parts. Yeah, oops, that wasn't what I meant to do. And add this color to the light parts. I'm no texturer, so I won't even bother doing this. Nice texture, won't you agree? Let's just save it. So, done that. Of course, we need to. Why is that open? I don't need that. Um, yeah. Back to our tutorial, and yeah, and don't get it confused by this folder. I didn't drag that in. It's just this folder. So if I would have two folders, I would there's my I would have a slash before this, and again have a tutorial or whatever name you will have it, like that, and that will have two folders called the same. But yeah, so that's all that is. So yeah, let's drag that new blocks.png inside there. Now actually I want this to be lowercase because I think this gives some errors to some people. I'm not really sure about it, but let's just do that. Rename 123 because I need to rename it to the same as it was. Blocks. Rename 123 items. There you go. And rename this as well. Rename tutorial. And we get rid of this because we changed the name, so we can't use it. And let's drag it in there. Tutorial. Now our block will have the texture that we just made. Just have to save that. It might cause an error because I didn't wait. No, it didn't. Sometimes it gives me an error. And as you see, or maybe you not see that, but let's get okay. It's set right. Yeah, it gave our texture our text. It gave our block our texture, just as we wanted. And why am I underground here? I don't know. Let's get up, because I don't like the brightness up down here. I don't know what I did down there. Oh, nice mountain. But yeah, that's. I think I've covered everything that you need to know. Our block got its texture. I don't bother changing these textures for the items that we have, the food and item. You will have to do whatever you want with that. I will put a download link to the sprite sheet in the video, so you don't have to care too much about that. And yeah, see you guys next time. I might actually do these modding tutorials on video, because this was real fun to do. A lot better than writing in like 2 hours to get 3 tutorials out. Yeah, but yeah, bye. I see you next time. If I will make another. Goodbye. See ya. Okay, that was awkward. Yeah.